employers looking at health insurance options for their employees, a broad range of options are available. In this video, I'll go over some of the most common types of health insurance plans and a few alternatives to help you decide which is best for your organization. What types of health insurance plans are available? Your first step in deciding what health insurance plan to offer at your organization is knowing the different types that are out there. The types of health insurance plans you should know are Preferred Provider Organization plans, Health Maintenance Organization plans, Point of Service plans, Exclusive Provider Organization plans, Health Savings Account Qualified plans, and Indemnity plans. Alternative health benefits like health reimbursement arrangements or employee stipends are also available for organizations of all sizes. Preferred Provider Organization plans. This is the most common type of insurance plan. A PPO plan is best for your organization if your employees want the freedom to choose any primary care physician and healthcare facility within your insurance company's network of doctors. Want the option to have some out-of-network costs covered. Want to be able to see a specialist without a referral from a PCP. Health Maintenance Organization plans. An HMO plan is best for your organization if your employees want a plan without a deductible, or a low one and a lower premium. Want to lower out-of-pocket costs for prescription drugs. Want a PCP to advocate for their medical needs and set up referrals for them. Point of Service plans. A POS is a good option for your small business if your employees need flexibility when choosing physicians and other network providers. Desire PCPs to coordinate their care. Prefer the balance of greater provider choice versus lower health insurance premiums. Exclusive Provider Organization plans. An EPO plan can work for your organization if you like the balance of fewer provider choices in exchange for lower rates. Have employees who can find value in a smaller panel of medical providers. Have employees who are comfortable shouldering higher medical costs for unplanned events. Health Savings Account Qualified plans. An HSA is an employee-owned account where you and your employee can contribute funds toward their future medical expenses. An HSA qualified plan is best for your organization if you want to save on premium costs by offering a high-deductible health plan. You want the option of giving employees more control over their health benefit funds by pairing your plan with an HSA. You want to make tax-free contributions to an account that will roll over year to year. Indemnity plans. An indemnity plan, also known as a fee-for-service plan, is best for your employees if they don't want to have to commit to one specific PCP or facility. They want the greatest amount of flexibility possible when it comes to choosing which doctors and healthcare centers to visit. They want to be able to see a specialist without a referral from a PCP. Alternative health insurance options. If you don't want to go with a traditional group health plan, you can use an HRA or a health stipend. HRAs are IRS-approved, employer-funded health benefits that allow you to reimburse your employees for their qualifying medical expenses, including individual health insurance premiums and out-of-pocket costs, tax-free. An HRA provides complete budget control to employers, with no minimum allowance amounts or participation limits. With a stipend, you can offer your employees a taxable monthly allowance or reimbursement for their medical expenses, including those costs not normally covered under an HRA or insurance. Knowing what types of health insurance plans are out there makes it easier to weigh your options during open enrollment. To learn more, you can read our article on this topic. We've provided a link to it in the description. If you're an employer looking to provide personalized employee benefits, PeopleKeep can help. Our personalized benefits administration platform makes it easy to set up and manage HRAs or employee stipends in just minutes each month. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more employee benefits and small business tips. Thanks for watching.